Hi everyone, my name is Sara Morgan Nettles, and welcome to my course, Lightning Web Components, The Big Picture. I am a Salesforce certified Platform 2 developer, and I've been working with Lightning Web Components since before they were even released publicly. This course is a high-level overview of the new modern programming framework from Salesforce called the Lightning Web Component Framework. Based almost entirely on web standards, this lightweight framework can be used to build secure, but still highly performing web apps. And the good news is that creating Lightning Web Components should be instantly familiar to any developers that are already familiar with JavaScript frameworks such as React or Vue. Some of the major topics that we will cover include understanding what makes up the Lightning Web Stack, which includes a responsive yet web-accessible Lightning design system, along with a trusted web security platform, and a cacheable data service that also allows developers to ensure referential integrity of their Salesforce databases. And to cap it all off, we will cover the new packaging deployment model, which is based on source-driven development. And throughout the course, I will relate what is being covered to how it relates to a fictional Salesforce customer named Carved Rock Fitness and their desire to transition to Lightning Web Components. By the end of this course, you'll be able to determine whether learning more about Lightning Web Components and all that goes along with that is the right move for yourself or your company. And since no prerequisites are needed to view this course, you can feel free to jump right in. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learning about Lightning Web Components with Lightning Web Components, The Big Picture, here on Pluralsight.